Hello everyone, welcome back to Tasty Tingles. I hope all of you are doing good and I'm doing good too, alhamdulillah. Today let's see how is a khatta meeta version of imli candy or tamarind candy made with simple ingredients that is available at home. So this is going to be not just 90s kids favorite but throughout the coming generation's favorite too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and you see a small bell icon next to it. Click on that. You please choose all options so that you get notified with my every update. For making this imli candy, let's get started. Take a bowl, add 100 grams of tamarind that is seedless. To this let's add 80 grams of dates that is also seedless and 2 cups of hot water. This hot water helps date and the tamarind to soak well and become soft. Now let's keep it for soaking for about 30 minutes. Now you see after 30 minutes it's soaked well and it has become softer in texture. Let's transfer this into a jar and grind it without adding any extra water. Use same water, okay? And grind it to make it into a fine paste. The tamarind and dates paste has to be transferred through a sieve to filter out into a bowl. Now the texture is filtered out. Now let's add this into a pan. Keep it in medium flame and let's add 100 grams of grated or crushed jaggery into it and mix well. Let the jaggery completely melt with the mixture of this tamarind and dates paste. You have to keep stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes you can see the paste has thickened and it is a little glossier in texture. At this point let's add the required masala to it. This is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of salt plus 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let's give a nice mix to this tamarind and dates mixture so that these khatta meeta spices are well combined. Let's keep mixing it. Now you see it is becoming thicker than the initial stage. It is also separating from the pan, but let's keep waiting until it becomes a nice thicker form, because this also you can stop at this point to make it into a juicy texture, but I prefer a little more thicker in version. So let's wait until it becomes thicker. Now you see when I'm scraping from the sides of the pan, it is completely coming away out of the pan and it is also separating. So now let's turn off the flame and take it out and let's wait until this mixture is cooled off. Now you see the tamarind candy or imli candy mixture is ready. We just have to wait until it gets cooled. After cooling down, you see it is perfect. Now let's start wrapping it into a chocolate candy form and taken a packing cover. Okay, if you have a cling, just use that would be better. I just cut the packing cover into small cubes like that and then adding this 1 spoon of tamarind mixture into the cover, and now let's wrap, folding from both the sides. And twist the extreme 2 ends to make it into a form of candy. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like, share, subscribe to my channel and try this recipe out. Leave your valuable comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos in coming future as well. Keep supporting me. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.